Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back. Doing a voiceover for this clip, for this upload. For some reason, the audio got messed up. The audio is a bit in and out, so I decided I'll still do the upload, but I'll do a voiceover on the video footage. Yeah, man. So yeah, today is D-Day, when I decided that I would have actually finished mixing the concrete to actually get this flooring on a level so that I can start the tiling process. Seeing so, yeah man, me have a one brethren that's with me. We are going to help me out and thing. Yeah. So what we were gonna do, we were gonna finish the column which is in the center, which is behind his foot right there. Yeah man, so we are gonna finish filling that before we lay a piece of BRC mesh. If you know what BRC mesh is, yeah man, I have a piece of BRC mesh that I'll be adding into the center of all of this concrete. Yeah man, so I did actually only have one shovel on hand, so what I did was to just let him start and then later on I would finish. I made an attempt to give him the camera to do some videoing, but I say man I know video man, yeah man, so I could have fight him on that. Yeah, and everybody want take the camera and the videoing, so yeah. And I was just explaining the same process that I'm just explaining. I'm gonna make him start with the mixing. Now for this part I was just showing that I am going to be cutting off the excess tile that is the current tile that's in the room now. So I'll be cutting it along under the door as I'm showing here, along there. So you won't see what tile I am using inside the room. You won't see what tile is in the room on the floor, right? And if you're in the room, you won't know what tile is in the living area, right? So yeah, I'm gonna cut that part and actually just remove it. But first, I really wanted to get this part out of the way. That is the column in the center, and I really wanted to get the flooring on a level so that the tiling process could have started. Seeing so, pretty much that's it. And it was quite a tiresome day, believe me. I was really tired at the end of all of this. I couldn't even do anything. So as you can see, my virgin is there right now, still continuing to mix the concrete, and thank God for him. Yeah man, I have tons of brethren, you know, guys, but if I needed the help and it was on a weekend, you would see a whole lot more friends turning out to actually help me, right? But today is Tuesday and everybody's at work. This particular person is the one that has been helping me out throughout most of the work that's done. So this is maybe about 3 or 4 hours after, where I am showing all of what is completed, and I was also explaining what is left to be done. And again, I don't know how this audio got messed up, but it did. There's no sense crying over spilled milk, so just let that go. See, yeah. Yeah man, I just say things set man. Anyway, I did get at least 90% of what I needed to be done, completed. It is not in terms of I'm doing this in stages. So leveling the floor is almost at 100%. At the corner where you can see that black water boot where I'm currently pointing, where I was just pointing, that part isn't too low, so there is not much need for concrete over there for leveling. What I am going to be doing at a later date is I'll just use sand and cement to actually bring that part up to match back with the remaining of the new concrete that I've just placed there to get it on the level. Yeah man, I can't use stone because the stones are going to be too big, and to get it on the level that I need, it will be too hard. So I'll only use sand, no stone, sand and cement, and I'll just use that around there to get it on the level. And yeah, it pretty much will be completed after that, and then I can just move on to the next phase, which is tiling, which I've already have all the tile and all the thin set and everything that I need to get the tiling out of the way. Scene, but yeah, pretty much that is it. It was a very tiresome day. I wasn't gonna even bother to upload this clip, but like I've already have the video footage, so why not, you know. Yeah man guys, so please remember to like, share, comment, all of the good stuff, you know. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys for supporting the channel so far. Yeah man, much love and respect for the support that I've been getting from you guys. So I'll see you guys in another one.